Hey, I've got really big news that I'm excited to share. I'm getting ready to redesign my own personal brand, and I want to take you on the journey with me. Why would I do this? Well, I teach personal branding training, but as I was looking through our materials, I was reading the new Launch Yourself book that Krista Nair, CEO of Bootcamp Digital, she just published, and I was going through the materials and the online training, and I was like, wow, it's time for me to redo my own brand. And one of the most profound things I read in just one of the first few pages of this book, Launch Yourself, is that you just have to get started somewhere and keep going. And that it's not going to be perfect when you start, but you can always be evolving and growing over time. And that's what I realized. Oh my gosh, it's time for me to really take a look at myself and, redo my personal brand. So what I decided was to take the workbook and go through the work myself, the actual work that I train other people on. So I'm really excited to dig into this, and I've decided to share my journey with you. Every embarrassing and exciting moment I'm going to be sharing throughout this journey. And I'll be sharing it and documenting the process on our blog so you can keep track of how I built my personal brand. And I hope that this inspires you to rebrand yourself or build your personal brand in the first place, and just get started and just get out there and see what kind of opportunities your personal brand can attract, because this is where it all starts. It all starts with you. And when you have a strong and a powerful personal brand, you can get big results. And so I'm excited to see what this is going to do for my life and my career. And I'm excited to share the journey with you. So join along, make sure you subscribe to our blog and keep track of my journey. And let's go build a personal brand.